Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. My quick tip today is regarding a bow. Not necessarily a regular bow, but a one loop bow. This is a great alternative for masculine cards. Let's start with the regular bow. I've cut myself an ample amount of the Tranquil Tide finely woven ribbon, and this is going to work on any ribbon or even twine. So a regular bow, you're going to make a loop, and of course you're going to come around. So I know you know all this, but I'm going to give you a little tip about that. Pull tightly. I know your loops are going to be completely out of proportion, but by having a tight knot in the center, what you're able to do is you're able to hold on to that knot and look, you're able to readjust the loop size so that it'll be proportionate to the project that you're creating it for. Okay, so that's one way. So I'm going to untie it and I'm going to show you the one loop bow. So I'm going to come around just like I'm making a regular bow. But instead, this loop that we normally would pull, I'm going to pull it all the way through. And then I'm just going to pull my end to get one loop. Now you're probably thinking, oh, that looks big, and it does. So the same thing, we're just going to adjust it here and then pull tautly. This is a wonderful alternative to the more feminine bow that you're used to making, and it's really simple. Add a glue dot and you can add it to your cards very easily. I hope you found today's quick tip helpful. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and would like a copy of the current catalogs, I'd be happy to send them to you. Just leave me a comment. All the products are available in my online store as well and over on my blog, for which you'll find the link below. I provide exclusive and generous ordering rewards. Thanks so much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you next week for another quick tip.